How do I sign up for Amazon Prime?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be guiding you on how to sign up for Amazon Prime. With this service, you can unlock numerous benefits like unlimited fast, free delivery, exclusive access to movies, TV shows, ad-free music, and more. So, let's get started.
What do you need before starting?
Firstly, ensure you have a few key things. 1. An internet connection to access the Amazon website. 2. A valid email address to create an Amazon account if you don't have one already. 3. A credit card, debit card, or bank account details for the payment of Amazon Prime subscription.
How to create an Amazon account?
If you already have an Amazon account, you can skip to section 3. If not, here's how you can create one. 1. Go to the Amazon homepage. 2. Click on the Account and Lists drop-down menu on the top right corner. 3. Select Start Here under the New Customer prompt. 4. Enter your name, email, password, and password check. 5. Click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. Congratulations! You now have an Amazon account.
How to sign up for Amazon Prime?
After logging into your Amazon account, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Try Prime button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner. 2. Here, you can learn more about the benefits of Amazon Prime. If you're sure you want to sign up, click Start your 30-day free trial. 3. Now, you'll be asked to provide your payment information. This could be a credit card, debit card, or bank account. 4. Once you've entered your payment details, click Start your free trial. Remember, Amazon Prime starts with a 30-day free trial. After this period, Amazon will automatically renew your membership and charge your provided payment method. You can cancel your membership at any time. And there you have it. You're now a member of Amazon Prime and you can start enjoying the numerous benefits it offers. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, you can always revisit these steps if you're unsure. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new Amazon Prime membership.